Why go out and spend on Viagra, when now you can easily make it at home? One of the most healthiest and freshest ingredients that is used to make this is watermelon. However, two more ingredients play a very important role. A mixture of these three ingredients can give you a perfect instigator of pleasure. Watch this full video carefully to make natural Viagra at home. Health researchers and scientists explain that the juice of watermelon is itself a natural Viagra. According to a report by Healthfulo, consumption of watermelon helps the libido to increase in men who have mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. A study published in journal Urology that sertraline found in the watermelon has amino acid. This improves blood flow even in the penis, and that too without the side effects that one might have from Viagra. This fruit has large amount of vitamin C and has 92% of water and is beneficial for people who struggle with impotence. Pomegranate boosts your energy levels and helps you spend a steamy night with your partner. Pomegranate juice works perfectly and acts like a Viagra. It is 100% natural, so there is no chance of any kind of side effects. A glass of pomegranate juice helps you lead a happy intimacy and gives total satisfaction. Green veggies like spinach, cabbage and any other green leafy veggies are also acts as Viagra. Green veggies contains heaps of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin E enhances your energy level and releases hormones for satisfying intimacy. Spinach is good for women as it is loaded with manganese, which amplifies female fertility. Pumpkin seeds also one of the best foods that act like Viagra. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and omega-3 fatty acids that help to rouse sex hormones levels. Dark chocolate is known as love poison. Dark chocolate increases your sensuality. This is a natural Viagra that enhances your mood, feeling and helps you reduce stress. The chemicals that are found in dark chocolate are serotonin and phenethylamine enhances your libido. The hot and spicy paprika spices up your energy levels and helps you spend hot, steamy and spicy night. Capsaicin increases blood flow and it enhances your libido. Strawberries also act like Viagra. This fruit increases your sexual desires. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and improve sperm quality. Enjoy your evening with a bowl of strawberries. Banana contains loads of potassium that enhances blood flow. Banana also contains vitamin B, which keeps you energetic for longer time. It also increases testosterone. Studies suggest that high energy provides satisfactory intimacy. Nuts are rich in vitamin B3 that increases energy level and sperm quality. Try some dry fruits and nuts for good and healthy life. Oysters is loaded with zinc, which is known as sex mineral. Zinc increases the sperm production and pumps up blood flow. Eat oysters before intimacy as it acts like Viagra and gives you complete pleasure. Oats are the best libido-boosting meal. The food which contains cereals like oats increases the energy level and keeps the testosterone and estrogen at right levels. Adding some spices while cooking and serve to your loved ones. This increases the blood flow and libido. It stimulates the production of endorphins. Avocados are having vitamin B6, heart-healthy fats and folic acids that act as a fuel to the body for increasing the energy. Vitamin B6 is the most important that helps the hormone production in men. This is the key for strong sex drive. Almonds are having essential fatty acids that are important for men's hormone production. Eat the raw almonds or sprinkle them on the food items or salads to get energy. Eggs are having rich source of vitamin B6 and B5. These vitamins balance the hormone levels and fight stress. As usual, eggs are the symbol for rebirth and fertility. Eat eggs to increase the libido. Vitamin E is very high in asparagus, which is very important for libido. It is also having folate that is important to women trying to conceive. Natural Viagra recipe. Take 1/4 watermelon, 1 lemon, 1 pomegranate and take a blender and put all the ingredients together and mix them well. Pour the juice in the bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Every morning drink 1/3 cup of the juice empty stomach. Follow the same process before dinner. This healthy and natural juice will improve the blood flow incredibly in your intimate part and will help you to perform better in the bed. This mixture can be used by anyone, as it has no side effects. We hope you love this video. If you find useful this video, give us a like and comment your suggestion and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button.